Forget everything. I put this magical liquid in my headlights and the results were amazing. Who knew what was going to happen? But here it is, before and after. In a moment, I'll tell you the name of the liquid. These headlights have never been cleaned in the last 24 years and they have become filthy due to fogging, yellowing, oxidation and grime from excessive heat. Brake fluid is the name of the liquid we are going to use to clean the headlights in just a few easy to follow steps. To kick things off, I just squeezed about 3 drops of the liquid into the cap of the container. Believe it or not, that was more than enough to cover the entire headlight. And I applied the fluid in circular, horizontal, vertical motions, ensuring that all areas of the headlamp were thoroughly covered. The painted areas surrounding the headlight should ideally not come into contact with the fluid. However, I ended up having to clean it off using just a damp cloth. Always be extra cautious. Brake fluid has the power to damage your car's paint. Here's the first reason to forget everything you have been using. This method is a total game changer for your light. Just check this. I've covered this entire headlamp with less than 3 drops of brake fluid. If you don't have money to buy the bottle of brake fluid, grab your old toothbrush, pop the hood, locate the brake fluid reservoir, open it, dip it from there to your headlamp, and hey, don't forget to snap that lid back on. Now wait for 5 minutes and allow the brake fluid to effectively clean the grime off. Next, conduct some random tests, particularly in those challenging areas. This way you can check if it's all set to move on to the next phase. This headlight took 7 minutes since it had never been cleaned for the past 24 years. However, it's important not to let the fluid remain for more than 10 minutes. Time to grab that rough towel and scrub away the grime. Let's make this headlamp shine bright. I'm folding this towel over and over to show how dirty it's going to be with each side. I'm going to fast forward this scrubbing, showing the cleaning progress. If the surface gets tough to scrub, just add a drop to make it easier. Continue this process until the towel stops getting dirty. We are so close, just a little messy from the inside, which I'm going to show you how to get rid of it on my next video. Oh, this looks cleaner. I'm giving it final wipe. Honestly, this light becomes so clean that I could eat a meal right off it. Wait, there's one thing left to do. The chemical reaction between brake fluid and the materials in headlights is very strong. If any brake fluid residue remains on your headlights, it can cause serious damage. The surrounding areas can also be affected. To stop that from happening, we need a microfiber towel like this, and we fold it over and over again. First, spray soapy water in each and every corner and make sure the headlamp is totally soaked. Then wipe down everything. This headlight is super clean. No gel used, no sandpaper used, no machine used, just 3 drops of brake fluid can change your headlight without experience. What do you think? Does it give off a fresh vibe? Let's dive into those details and chat about it in the comment section, or just leave a like. And for more videos like this, subscribe is totally free.